Hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install DrepFest A13 Rom. So the prerequisites are, you need an unlocked bootloader. You should be on the latest MIUI ROM, which is 13.0.8, or if you're on any custom ROM based on AOSP, then you can flash the latest firmware and then flash the ROM. And then you need to remove your MI account, you need to remove your password and security, and you need to remove your Google accounts. Once all of them are done, you can do a reboot and head into your file manager. And then you need to have the DrepFest A13 official Tango alloy.zip in your internal storage, and have the latest version of Orange Fox Recovery installed, because Orange Fox Recovery works better in flashing Android 13 ROMs, as far as I know. So let's reboot our phone into recovery by clicking on power off. Wait for 2 seconds and then press your power and volume up button until your phone reboots into recovery. Once your recovery is booted, you can head into wipe, select your Dalvik Art Flash and then swipe to wipe, and then head into files. So I'll select your ROM, and then you'll be having these options. I need to check the option reflash Orange Fox after flashing a ROM. So your recovery will automatically be reflashed after the ROM gets flashed. So now swipe to install and wait for the RAM to get flashed. So once the ROM is flashed, check for errors in step 1 and step 2 if there are no errors, and then check errors in the flashing of the recovery. So we have the logs as image flash completed, so you can go back, click on the menu and go to reboot and select recovery. So once your recovery is booted, head into the wipe, format data and type in yes. This will result in wiping out all your pictures and videos. So once formatting data is successful, you can reboot to system. Are you sure? No is installed. So let's reboot. It's just an error. So here we see the cool boot logo of the DrepFest. So the boot animation was pretty cool, but the booting did take a long time. So let's get started. So here you go, the ROM is booted. First things first, let me just change the refresh rate to 120 from the QS panel. Oh yeah, it's here. No. So the refresh rate is 120 Hz. The ROM is smooth, and let's check the kernel version they are using. So the Android version is 13. So the kernel version they're using is Lumos CAF plus kernel, and the security patch is October 5th. And change logs, let's go in. Since the last update, there's nothing. So the DrepFest version is 13 official Tango alloy. And now let's head into the Drep space. So status bar, we have the battery settings, and these both are pretty common. And clock and date settings, status bar items, yeah, here we have a pretty lot of items. Auto rotate screen can be shown here, headsets can be shown here, and we have many other stuff which can be enabled, which is pretty cool. Traffic indicators, and we have the miscellaneous. We have the status bar lyric, so I guess I really don't know what that is. So it says shows lyric and status bar need app support. So in apps like Spotify, you can see the lyrics in the status bar, and notification counts. It's gonna tell the amount of pending notifications. Let's go back and see the QS panel, quick settings panel. notifications, we have the edge lightning. The ticker replaces your notification with a redesigned version of tickers. Okay, let's just turn it off and head into the quick settings. We have require unlocking to use sensitive titles. So ask to unlock lock screen when using sensitive titles. So we have the quick tiles layout and brightness slider position and many other options like this, and we have the animations here. Animation style is flip, rotate, and we have the animation duration, which can be default. We have the lock screen. So lock screen charging info, we're going to get the percentage amounts of, so we're going to get the amount of charge and the percentage and the amperes info. And in the system customization, we have icon packs, Wi-Fi icon, single icons, and icon shape. So we have icon packs. Let's check the oxygen OS, but the default one looks good. So let's go back, and this is the fonts which are good, and we have a immediate effect for the fonts, and there's no need of a reboot. So that's it. About the performance, this ROM has a good performance. So the ROM heats up to 39 to 40 or 45 or maybe even 47 sometimes while hardcore gaming. And the Antutu score for this ROM is 6,70,000, which is pretty good, and the Geekbench score is 3,000, exact 3,000, and the single core is 896. The single core is pretty less, I don't know why. Maybe kernel isn't stable yet. And so that is all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.